get the results section. Bang, bang, bang. Challenge pass. Look, challenge pass, guys. Literally challenge passing every single day. What's going on, guys? Ben here. Welcome to the weekly gold and GJ forecast. Now, I would have dropped this earlier, guys, but I dropped another video earlier, so I delayed this one. So I apologize that it is a little bit late. However, I'm going to run through gold and GJ quickly, top down, to see what we could potentially expect to see next week. And what you can see here, guys, I'm actually ready to launch this now in the group. This is for the Discord members. This is a new indicator that we have here that will call out buy and sell signals for you, that has specific criteria that you need to follow. And you can also use this alongside our manual trading strategy that we also teach inside the Discord too. So anyway, I'm going to clear the indicators. I'm going to clear the charts. I'm going to start from a blank chart and work our way top down. So here we drawings, a new week. Let's go. Target on the monthly is still, well, 2077, but it's 2080. 2080, I'm putting as a target. Easy number to round up. And not much has changed on the monthly from the previous analyses. If you haven't seen them, guys, we do these every single week. And you can see how these play out week to week to week to week and what we look at. And these are the same analyses that we use inside the group to take all of our trades from. So look, we've still got confirmed continuation pattern here. And we've got the confirmed candlestick continuation here. Last month candle still bullish. This month candle still pushing. We did hit some liquidity here. So price is potentially just rejecting, having a pullback, ready to then capture more buys to get enough strength to then push up and break through that 2080. So if we go down to the weekly, guys, let's see what we can see. So weekly again, let's get our little arrow. We broke structure here, impulse, retracement, impulse, retracement. And again, we haven't broke structure yet because we haven't had a candle close above that previous weekly high. You see here, look, again, as you saw on the monthly, price pushed up. It tried to push up to the levels we were aiming for. Unfortunately, it just missed. It didn't have the buying volume to actually get up there. So again, this could just be a potential retracement because we still have a confirmed candlestick continuation pattern here that lines up with price action. So if we go down to the daily time frame here, now it gets a little bit more interesting because on the daily, we're still bullish. However, the previous daily low was engulfed. Sorry, the previous daily candle was engulfed. So this could just be, as I say, rejection from the higher time frames, bringing the price down. So what we need to see here is, number one, the daily stay in structure, and number two, the 4 hour and the 1 hour also stay in structure. Now, remember from Friday, the 1 hour structure is broken, so the 1 hour structure is bearish. So what I'll be looking for now is the 1 hour structure to turn back bullish. When that turns back bullish, we're going to have all of the time frames lining up from the hour all the way to the monthly, and that will give us then strong confirmations on the 1 hour and the 30-minute to take our entries, giving us confidence that we know we are on the right side of the market and our targets have a high probability of being hit. So if we go down to the 4 hour, you can see here, look, the 4 hour low hasn't actually been broken. 4 hour low is there. We don't have any candle closes below that. So we're in a very good position here for buys back up to that 4 hour high. However, to be safe with buys, you know, ideally you'd want the 1 hour high to be broken, so then the hour is flipped bullish and you can aim for the 4 hour high. However, what we're looking at here is the hour is still bearish and we've got low volume bull candles. So what we can see, look, we've got this support turn to resistance here. And this is a good place where we look to take sells from. So if price pushes up on market open here, and gives us candlestick confirmation, then we are going to be trading. We're going to be looking then to trade back down to those lows. However, this could also be a flip zone. Now, if we go back onto the 4 hour time frame, we've got the 4 hour time frame. The 4 hour high is all the way up here. So if we can flip that 1 hour time frame back bullish, the hourly high is here. This here for me, I mean, if we get good confirmation, we could take it with lower risk. But for me, it's a no trade zone. We could get a wick up here, fill the imbalance, and then, you know, price break down and then go back to the lows. Until we get a solid candle close on the hour above the hour and we actually break that structure, I am not looking for any full risk buys. I want to see the hourly time frame flip back bullish at the same. I want to see the hourly time frame flip back bullish, line our time frames up to give us the highest probable potential entries. And then what have we got here? The 1 hour low and the 4 hour low. So these are down here together. Now, if we see a 4 hour candle, like we could just see this. Price doesn't have to mitigate this yet. Price could come down, mitigate this, and then just mess around, do what it wants to do. So that's why we take it level by level and candle by candle. So we don't know what market's going to do when it opens. As I say, could push up, could push down. However, I'm just speaking about scenarios that we were looking to take if we see them. If we get a 4-hour candle close below here, then we're going to be looking for resistance at this level here, confirmations to then take price, down to the daily lows. And it would be down here. That would be the main target where this imbalance is, because guaranteed we'll get a reaction out of there. It might break through and take liquidity, but still, we want to take profit there because we don't know the kind of reaction we're going to get. And that is the daily low. So these are a lot of liquidity lying down there. So as I say, buys, we really want to wait for this buys until we get above the hourly high. Then we can aim for the 4-hour high. That gives us a good range to trade into there. We're trading with order flow. It's very, very nice here. It's a little bit dangerous to trade into. And we really want to wait for a reaction from here or a structure to break down here. And that will give us the hour and the 4-hour bearish then. So then we're looking to trade to the daily bullish low. And we'd expect that to break. But we look at that, as I say, if we get a candle close below here. And that's it for gold, guys. So let's start on the monthly time frame, guys. What can we see? We have got bullish price action. The candle here has closed above that previous resistance here. So that's a good indication that we are going to continue up. Apart from that, guys, not really that much going on. We have got a potential continuation pattern forming on the monthly. So price could potentially consolidate until next month to actually take off and break the highs if it was going to. Hopefully it doesn't. I really want to get into buys. I really want to see volume now after an FP week. So I'm hoping this is potentially just a monthly candle pullback, and then it's going to continue and break those highs. However, on the lower time frame, those highs here would be my targets if we are looking for buys, and we do get confirmation to trade up. Weekly time frame, what have we got? Again, previous weekly candle. Well, the week before the previous weekly candle. No, it was this candle. So yeah, last week's candle, because this is on the Sunday. So last week's candle here, I mean, closed very bullish. Look at that beautiful continuation pattern straight to the highs. Yeah, we caught them buys in there too. And again, continuation pattern forming here on the weekly. So what we could see, candle could open here. Now we could push down and push up like this, or we could open and just push straight up. There's not really that much to see on the weekly. So let's go down to the daily. So what we've got on the daily, what we can see, we've got a nice breaker structure here on the daily. Beautiful. We've got a break and retest of this zone here. There is a slight gap there, but I'm guessing on the weekly or the higher time frame, it was like a filled imbalance, just about. Yes, almost anyway. On the weekly, was it filled on the pullback? Yeah, just about. However, if price decides to come back down, if we have got an imbalance here on the smaller time frame, yeah, that hasn't been filled. This could be very nice liquidity here, just to keep in the back of your mind, where price could come down, fill this, or even wick the liquidity down here, and then go to the highs. However, what we're looking at here, we're just taking it level by level. So on the 4-hour, we are bullish still, because we don't know candle close above here. So that low here didn't make new structure. So this is all this is our 4-hour impulse. So we are bullish inside the 4-hour. So if we go down to the 1-hour, we want to see the 1-hour bullish as well. What can we see? The 1-hour is bullish. We had to move down here, break a structure, and then we had to break a structure back up. So this was the hourly break a structure level here. Boom. It's broken back up. We have another previous S&D zone up here that we will mark up as well, where price is currently rejecting. So what can we see? We've got two levels for high probability buys on the 1-hour. We are bullish, and we are aiming for the 4-hour high, unless we pull back, and then we'll be aiming for the 1-hour high. If we break that, then we'll be aiming for the 4-hour high. So what can we see? I mean, I don't trade triangles, but we have got a triangle forming here. It's a nice potential continuation pattern. If triangles break out, guys, we have got, measure low to high, 100% to 0%. Continuation patterns like these, when they play out, they always play out the same as what the first push was. So we could expect price to go to here, up here. It break out like this, first to there, and they break up like that. And if we go back to the 4-hour, what does that line up with? Oh yeah, back to the 4-hour high. You see how that fib lines up perfectly with that continuation pattern? Super cool, no? So that's what we're going to be looking for on market open. We've got the 1-hour bullish, got the 4-hour bullish. So we're looking for buys. We're looking for buys from here. If we get this breakout of here, this is the better range to trade into once we get above these highs here, back to those highs, just so we get through this zone. However, I don't know where the market's going to open up. So the market could push all the way up here before London open. I hope it does push to there, because then we can get in on the potential retest and trade to those highs. Or price could push down. This could fail. These don't play out every single time. Nothing does in the market. So if it fails, I mean, we could be looking for buys down here. But we've also got liquidity down here. So remember, so it could be a fake out to the high, for a fake out to the low, swipe all this liquidity, or just to here, and then go up. So here, if we break down, is our first zone for confirmation. Then, if we take this, we'll be looking to trade to there. However, if this breaks, let me just delete that. and he swipes this liquidity here, it goes into this imbalance. Look, you see this imbalance down here, there, then boom, that's going to give us a very, very nice position there. Look at the previous reaction from there. Absolutely amazing. And that is the 4 hour. That's a 4 hour imbalance, 4 hour demand zone. Absolutely beautiful. So you see that liquidity there? Could be a trap for the buyers. That's what we've got to also take care of. And that's why we manage risk. And that's it, guys. If you're not in the Discord, highly recommend you get inside. Let me share the screen here. Let's get in the results section. Bang, bang, bang. Challenge pass. Look, challenge pass, guys. Literally challenge passing every single day. You know, we're live every single day with the members. Live trading, you get a course in there, streamlined, systemized course where I teach how to trade. I remove all of the fluff and bullshit. You know, there's so many courses that like to just teach you everything. Those are nonsense crap, you know, and they teach you a lot of shit that they don't even use and trade with themselves. It's just crazy. It's like, why don't you just teach it simplistically and teach them how you trade? So then when you execute on the charts at the same time in your live, it makes sense to them. No better way to learn if you're learning something and you can see somebody execute on that every single day. So as I say, you know, we've got the trading robots, that smash pop firm challenges, we've got the live trading, we've got the communities, we've got multiple group chats, guys. It's fucking awesome place to be. Amazing place to be. So as I say, links down below, guys. It's only $99 a month, cheap as absolute chips. And that's it. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday, guys. I'm going to watch a movie now. And let's get ready to fucking smash next week. Bosh.